In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to make a website using Replit. By the end, you'll know how to start a web project, use Replit's built-in chat to generate and refine your site on the free plan, and share your work with collaborators. First, open your browser and go to Replit. If you're new, a quick sign up or login may be required, which takes just a moment. Once you're on the main workspace, you'll notice a chat box designed to help you bootstrap projects. Even on the free plan, you can use this to create a web app. Type a clear prompt describing what you want, the purpose of the site, the overall vibe, a few key pages, and any must-have elements. The more specific you are here, the better your starting point will be. Below the chat, you'll be able to choose the platform or template you want to use for your website. This could be a basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript setup or another web-friendly starter. Select the option that fits your comfort level and your project's needs, then click Start. Replit will spin up your project with the right files and a structure that matches your choice. Once the project opens, you're inside your workspace. You'll see your files in the sidebar, an editor in the center, and a console or preview area. Take a moment to look around so you know where things live. You can open the main HTML file to check what was generated and use the preview to see your site in action as you work. Replit autosaves, so changes are preserved as you make them. If you want to tweak your web app, use the chatbot on the left side panel. Type requests like update the hero section text, change the color palette, or add a contact section, and let the assistant propose edits. Review the changes it suggests, make adjustments if needed, and preview again. This approach is great for iterating quickly. Ask for a change, verify it in the preview, and keep refining until it matches your vision. When you're ready to collaborate or get feedback, share the project with others by clicking Invite. You can generate a link and choose how people can interact with your project. This makes it easy to work together in real time or simply let someone explore your progress, and that's it. You've gone from opening Replit to generating a site on the free plan with the chat, to choosing a platform, exploring your project, refining it with guided prompts, and finally sharing it with collaborators. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.